So this is the general layout, what I did at this particular project, where this is the diagrammatic representation of meander type septic tank. And this is the inlet from where the black water is coming. And then from here it goes into the second compartment. This is the third compartment. Then it goes into this constructed wetland. It is collected in the receptor tank, and from here it is used. So these are the detailed technical drawings with the minutest technical specification, the slope, the level, and even the construction of this septic tank is done in RCC with M30 grade of concrete. All the spacing, detailing, everything what is drawn in the drawing or conceived is rather structurally also taken care by the structural consultant and client and the design team based on design team's recommendation. Site team means theory and practice, there is no gap. It is executed exactly accordingly. So from inlet to outlet, the entire movement is happening, and even the bottom is given slope. So solids comes on the first internal side and only the liquid flows. So by doing all this, what we have created is that we have given solid retention time with quiescence, because every day the capacity of septic tank was for 21-day retention. So the sewage or the total movement is happening very slowly. After, see, first we filled the septic tank with the normal water. And so whatever everyday volume is coming, it just keeps on moving. And by the time all the microbial growth and everything is happening within the septic tank. So in meander type septic tank, solids are given solid retention time and quiescence, under which microbial degradation and pathogen elimination is happening, because bioreactor has a very high temperature. It is about treating organic molecules depending upon their nature, various molecules that degrade them, and we have provided them the suitable environment to operate. So again, little more detail, that treatment consists of bioreactor, that septic tank I showed you and explained you. Then after it is followed by a 50 square meter of, this particular sketch was having 50 square meter of biobed or horizontal subsurface flow wetland. Wetland plants are grown over the gravel media, and the gravel media layer were 0.8 meter deep. Inlet and outlet zones were filled with larger gravels of 10 to 40 millimeter diameter. And then after, there is a water regulation chamber or a collection tank. So septic tank effluent flows by gravity to the this constructed wetland, and we have kept the water 5 centimeter below the gravel level, so that there is no odor and there is no mosquito breeding. Initially, the wetland was planted with vetiver perennial grass, and which is working till today. Reclaimed water is pumped to the reclaimed water tank, and from here the subsurface irrigation we have done. So black water is then after going for the landscape irrigation, so no human contact, no safety compromised, and even nutrient is given back to the soil. So this is the detail of the horizontal subsurface constructed wetland. And here you can see the water is coming, and even you can see here that this pipe is having perforation, and this is the schematic diagram where even 2 septic tanks is connected to one constructed wetland, and here it is again the baffle wall is created here, and the water is collected in this septic tank. Effluent is means filtered effluent is collected here, and from here it goes out. This pipe is also laid in a slope, and the perforation, the spacing, all that kept with on as per the biological principle guideline. Even here you can see, as per the UIPC code, we have specified the do not drink, and all that pipeline, that what is required for this category pipeline and what color to be used for the pipeline. So these are the 3D drawings of what we have done and how this pipeline and how the pipes were laid, how it is connected, how the grass was grown, what are the filtered layer. So all that is giving you the clear idea what we did, and this is the actual image what we did. And here you can see this is how the actual video during just when we started or commissioned. This is the initial day video that this we have just started the working of the septic tank, and water is moving. I am also moving along with this camera. Here the water is coming in the receptor last filtered compartment, and here you can see it is flowing here. Very slow flow is there, and it is collected in this construct tank. Originally we kept this Intex tank, then after we constructed this tank. From here, this filtered water means it is collected in this reclaimed water tank. Through submersible pump it is supplied into this overhead tank, and from here there is a disc filter. It is supplied to porous pipe for landscape irrigation or the loan.